In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online in 2025. Do you know that making money online will be easier than ever in 2025 if you have the right skills? Yes, so the digital economy is evolving fast and success is not just about working hard anymore. Whether you're starting a business, you're exploring the affiliate marketing or freelancing, guess what? There are skills that you need to have that will make you stand out. And I just found the easiest way to make thousands of dollars. Yes, so every single week by creating a PDF. Yes, PDFs with AI. Guys, this strategy has generated $6,000 for me just in the past month. And you know what the best part is? You don't need any investments or skills. Anyone can start this today. And guess what? I am not like those other gurus that are trying to sell courses for you. No, I'll show you step-by-step process. Yes, so that you can take to also make money just like I did. And you can build this business model that can transform your lifestyle. So let's get started. So guys, first step one is to set up Google Docs. Yes, so the first thing you need to do is type in Google Docs. Yes, go on Google, type in Google DOCS, then click on the first link. If you don't have a Google account, just go ahead and create one. It is totally free of charge and you will get access to Google Docs. Number two is to join Temu's affiliate program. Yes, you heard me right. Head over to this website called Temu, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on affiliate and influencer. And here is the exciting part. Temu's affiliate program can help you make over $10,000 monthly just by promoting a variety of products available on the platform. It sounds crazy. Trust me, I didn't even spend a lot of time in this business model and I've already made over $6,000. Now, why is this platform amazing? Because it gives you up to 20% commission, which is way higher than, yes, when you compare it to platforms like Amazon, they give you like $2 to $3 per sale. And this is for regular people like you and I, yes, and they are making money daily from this platform. And you can do it from any country in the world. So yes, there are no restrictions. That's the sweet part. Yes, that's why I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So to get started, click on the Join Now button and connect your Google account to join their affiliate program. Once you're in and you see your dashboard, you're already in. That's it. Next thing you need to do is to create content that attracts your audience. This step is actually very important because it determines whether you make money or not. So make sure that you stay tuned and do not forget to smash on the like button because I am dropping lots of value here. Now, the best way to attract the right audience, even without showing your face, is through a blog. Yes, you might want to start a blog. If you missed the video on how to start a blog, check this video right here or you go on my channel and search for it. But I'll also leave it for you guys right here. Now, this method is very effective and you don't even need to type because AI will handle the work for you. So go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate engaging topics for the products that you want to promote. So you can choose a niche like electronics, like home products, or even clothes. Yes, car accessories also sell very well. So you can start a blog and write an article with the title, Top 10 Must-Have Car Accessories for 2025 or whatever year you're watching today's video. Let AI do the work for you. AI is actually going to write the full blog post. You can even use advanced tools like Article Writer GPT for better ranking. Now, once your blog content is ready, copy it into Google Docs and add product links through the text. Now, these links should direct your readers to the products. Next thing you need to do is promote the blog. Yes, once the blog is ready, download it as a PDF. Now let's move on to promotion and getting free traffic. Next thing you need to do is upload your PDF to SlideShare. SlideShare is a platform with over 84 million users per month. Yes, there are over 84 million visitors on SlideShare every month. Add proper tags and keywords and ensure that your PDF ranks and gets organic traffic. You can also use medium.com. Go ahead and create an account on Medium, paste your PDF content directly into an article, add engaging titles and use relevant keywords to rank, on the platform because Medium has over 127 million visitors every month, if I'm not mistaken. Now, here is the bonus tip. Remember to add these 10 ways to do X and Y. Create blog posts for all of them using the same process. And once you're done, promote across all platforms. Don't just stop at one niche. Go ahead and try out different niches, yes, to see what actually works for you. You never know, maybe the new article you write in a different niche entirely would pick up faster than the one you previously started with. Yes, go ahead and explore different niches to also scale up your earnings. With consistency, you can make 10,000 plus in a month, just like other successful affiliates. Yes, before you go ahead and share today's video with your friends. And also, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your massive love and incredible support to this girl. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, I know if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper chick for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is actually Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer, yes, and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize even from the very first day. I know you are wondering, what is this one? This is actually my mannequin. Like I said, I'm a fashion designer, and this is one of my pieces, and I'll show you in a second what my mannequin is wearing. Okay, so this is one of my pieces that the mannequin is wearing. You know, so that is my mannequin. So just in case you're like, I want real, baby. Anyways, so if you're new here, I'd like to really know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What country are you tuning in from? If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. What do you do for a living? If you're new here, oh yeah, tell me. So what do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Please let me know in the comments. I would like to say a big thank you to whoever sent my video to you. So guys, if you also have any question for me, please by all means go ahead and let me know in the comments. I am working hard for you guys, so please, there are no stupid questions here on this channel. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single comment that I get from you amazing besties here on this channel. So guys, I have a giveaway. It is still ongoing. Yes, interestingly, it is still ongoing, but it's closing soon. I'm doing a giveaway of $100 cash gifts. All you need to do to enter for this giveaway is to add 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. Just add 50 people into my Telegram community, and you're on your way to getting a $100 cash gift. Yes, you heard me right. So besties, that is all I have for you today. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. If you need me to do a research, fill out your specifications. Let me also know in the comments if you want me to, do a research on a particular subject matter or topic, or shed more light on certain things. Let me know. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. My comment section is always open, and I'm always definitely replying to every single comment I get on this channel. So thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end tonight. Till I see you guys in my next video. Keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl chances. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. Do not forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms, and also visit my blog to see what I have to share on those blogs. All right guys, take care of yourselves and make sure that you implement these strategies I've shared in today's video, because I can't wait to see you guys at the top. Take care guys, and bye for now. Love you.